Ito talaga yung couple goals. Sabihin mga couple goals. May ganito pala sa Bible na talagang couple goals. Ito yung totoong missional marriage. Ito yung totoong passion for God. Hindi lang yung isa, yung passionate, tapos yung isa hindi. Hindi lang yung isa committed kay Lord, tapos yung isa hindi committed kay Lord. Hindi yung isa lang nagme-ministry, tapos yung isa hindi. Hindi po, both of them. They are one in the ministry, in life, in work, in business, in advancing the kingdom of God. As in lahat po ng ginagawa nila, they do it together. And they are one in it.
Don't just aim for an emotional marriage. Pray for a missional marriage. Huwag mo lang ipag-pray yung relasyon na magsasatisfy sa emotional needs mo. Dapat inuuna mo ko, dapat tinitext mo ko, dapat inaasikaso mo ko, dapat ako. Kasi kung ganun ang gagawin nyo sa loob ng relationship, mauubos ang partner nyo. Because again, relationship is all about giving, not taking. Ang ganda ng sinasabi lagi ni C.S. Lewis, no? Sabi nga dito, love is best expressed when you think of yourself less.